This is Dr. Raj Kumar, an orthopedic surgeon practicing at Hyderabad. Yeah, I'm done my MS Orthopedics from Rajiv Gandhi University of Bangalore, and then I worked as an orthopedic surgeon at a famous institute called Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences at Hyderabad. After working there, I been to England and I finished my MCH in orthopedics degree few years back. Presently my clinic is at Chikadpalli, Hyderabad. At my clinic we provide services of outpatient services, physiotherapy services and lab services, and we have a diabetologist at our clinic also. We provide outpatient sessions in the morning and evening, and all surgeries we undertake nearby hospitals according to patient affordability and depending on the severity of operation. As an orthopedic surgeon, I do take I am specially trained in trauma, spine and joint replacement at UK. In trauma, including trauma causing fractures and dislocations of various parts of body. Fractures may be minor and major, and all minor fractures we handle at our clinic, and some of the fractures which cannot be handled as an outpatient basis, we do surgery at hospitals. And dislocations like that also, some of the dislocations, most of the dislocations can be handled as an outpatient basis, and the dislocations which cannot be reduced by as an outpatient, we do surgery and treat the dislocation patients. Fractures, we do all latest techniques in fixing the fractures of various parts of the body. Like that, spine also, spine problems, routinely we see the patients like disc prolapse, fractures and infective cases, and most of the spine disc prolapse cases can be handled as an outpatient basis by giving physiotherapy and medications and rest. Which are not responding to these conservative management methods, we undertake surgery. Surgery also gives good